Today I am going to show you how to fix the can't install problem in Google Play Store. If you are trying to download any app but it just doesn't install and keeps showing you that same error message, don't worry. In just a few minutes, I'll guide you step by step to solve this issue permanently, so make sure you watch this video till the end without skipping. So first, go to Play Store. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go to Settings. Now click on Network Preferences. Click on App Download Preferences and make sure it is set to over any network. If it is set to this or this, then just simply click on over any network. Click OK and done. Now click on Auto Update Apps. So select it to App Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Select this. Now go back. Go to About section and just click on Update Play Store. Simply update your Play Store. My Play Store is up to date. If your is not up to date, update your Play Store. Now the next method is go to your device settings. Scroll down and go to apps. In your device, it can be App Manager also. So go to the apps or App Manager. Search for Google Play Store. Google Play Store, go to this. Click on Force Stop. Click OK. Now go to Storage. Clear cache. Do not clear the data. Go back. Click on Mobile Data and make sure these two are enabled. Allow background data usage and allow data usage while data saver is on. Now go back. Go to Battery and make sure it is set to unrestricted. Go back and now go to Google Play Services. Click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage and click on Clear Cache. Now simply restart your device. Long press on your power button. Click on Restart and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will definitely be solved. You can install any app now from Play Store, but make sure your device has enough storage. Go to your settings. Search for storage. Go to storage and check your device has enough storage or not. So in my case, I have 50%. I have used 50% and I have 50% remaining. So check your device has enough storage to download the app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.